In this session, let's talk about data type conversions and data type casting. Both involve changing the data type from one data type to a different data type. However, the difference depends on their compatibility. A data type conversions happens automatically with compatible data types. If the data types are, then we must apply a data type casting. We are not changing the value, but only converting the value. In Eclipse, let's start with the data type conversion, which can also be called widening conversion. Widening conversion is when a smaller data type is converted to a larger data type. It gets wide from small to large. For numeric data types, the precision goes from byte, short, int, long, float, double. Byte is the smallest numeric data type, and double is the largest data type. If our data types are from left to right, then the compiler automatically converts the types. Two things must happen for an automatic conversion. Both data types must be compatible, and the destination type must be larger than the source type. Look what happens when the destination is smaller. Int destination. Int is a whole number and smaller than the source 34.56. 34.56 is a double. Therefore, the error message states type mismatch, cannot convert from double to int. Let's add a comment that says cannot convert from double to int. Now, look what happens for the automatic conversion. We write int source 1 equals 34. Double destination 1 equals source 1. Source 1 is smaller than destination 1 because int, it has a lower precision than double. Let's print the values. Sys out original int value plus source 1. Sys out widening conversion int to double plus destination 1. Let's run. Original int value is 34, and widening conversion int to double is 34.0. The value on the right, which is source 1, automatically converted to the double data type, destination 1 on the left. So we see 34.0. Next is data type casting, which can also be called narrowing conversion. This type of conversion happens when the destination type is smaller than the source type. We write double source 2 equals 34.999. Int destination 2 equals 34.999. This is the same error from last time. Type mismatch cannot convert from double to int. We have to explicitly carry out the conversion. We specify the data type we want to convert inside the parentheses. Casting takes place when we send an instruction to the compiler to convert the data type. Let me say that again. Casting takes place when we send an instruction to the compiler to convert the data type. The cast always happens before the value. Therefore, we place int for int inside the parentheses. A person might think the value 34.99 would round up to 35, but that's not true. It will convert to an int value. However, the decimal and 999 will cast off and not to be shown. Let me change 34.99 to source 2 and add some print statements. Sysout original value double plus source 2. Sysout narrowing conversion double to int plus destination 2. Let's run. Original double value is 34.999. The narrowing conversion double to int cast off 0.999 and only show 34. In the next video, I am going to convert an object to a variable and convert a string class to a numeric value. You can connect with me on LinkedIn, YouTube, Facebook, and GitHub, and Twitter. On LinkedIn, I release videos like every day. If it's not a video, then it'll be a transcript. On Facebook, I release videos. On YouTube, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the bell icon. And my goal is to start and continue releasing videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And I'll see you in the next video.
Books available in paperback, ebook, and PDF. All Part 1 ebooks and PDF documents are free. Programming books for UFT. Programming books for Java. Here's the Selenium Automation book. And TestNG. Subscribe to get notification of future videos. Don't forget to like, comment, and share.